How to reply ask me a question on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you reply to a ask me a question on Instagram. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Instagram app with your account. After you open Instagram, from there you'll have to just open that story where someone has posted ask me a question sticker. Simply you'll have to just find that. After you open your story where it says ask me a question, simply you'll have to just tap on the option type something. After you tap on that, you'll be able to add your question or your any picture on that. Simply for that, tap on the option camera icon. After that, you'll be able to add your picture or you can use your camera also. After you ask any question from here, you can simply tap on the option send. After you tap on that, that message will be sent to that person from that question, and that's it. This is the easiest way to reply ask me a question on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.